Hey, concrete fans. Look at this. I've got a single mini hex mold. It's me, Mr. Concrete, and I've got leftovers. What do you do with leftovers, especially beautiful leftovers? I'll tell you what you do. You put them in molds. So beautiful leftovers. Oops. That kind of stuck to my palette knife a little more than I intended. Oh, and you know what? I've actually maybe got too much leftovers. So I'm going to do this one single. Oh, and then I got a mold with a lot of blue pigment in it. That should be okay. So we're going to tap this out. Tap out our leftovers. There's one leftover. Get this up and out of the way. Leftover number 2. Let's see how many we can actually get in here. 1, 2. I think 2 full ones and a super thin partial. Maybe not even a thin partial. That's going to be extra work for me to clean that out. So my calculations were a little bit off today about how much concrete I needed to mix. So I've got a little bit more leftovers than I usually have. You know what? In the grand scheme, if anyone's ever worked with concrete on an industrial scale, this is a small amount of leftovers, but I'd really encourage you to have a leftover strategy. You don't want to waste, especially after you've mixed beautiful colors. You don't want to waste this. It's amazing. Why waste it? Just tap it. Keep on tapping. And I think we're just about there. Still got a little bit of air coming out of this thing. We're probably good though. You think we're good? Good enough. Okay. That's the end of leftovers. Oops. I'll catch you on the flip side. 4 hours. Goodbye, everybody. Catch you very, very quickly on the flip side of this. Just a little filler content, fun reveal, pour reveal thing for you. Because I can't make a big feature-length video every time. I've only got so much time, and I run out of time all the time. You're probably running out of time all the time, too. That's the nature of time, is that you're always running out of it. But hopefully these leftovers can tide you over to a big project. So just stick around, watch some leftovers. If you don't want to watch them, I don't care. Do something else. Check out another video, make some concrete yourself. But if you want, here's just a little bit of leftovers for you. It's for you. I might as well record it, show you what I did, and see the results. Maybe we'll all learn something new. I don't know. Maybe we will, maybe we won't. Who cares? Bye, everybody. Catch you on the cured side of this. That's 4 hours. 4 hours. See you in 4 hours. Bye, everyone. Hey, concrete friends. Welcome back to leftovers. What did we make? We had some leftovers, some beautiful leftovers. What did we make? I had enough for 3 and a bit tiles. At first, I thought I had enough for 1. Then I was like, oh, shoot, I got way more than 1. I got maybe 2 more. And then I was like, I got a little bit here. Probably could have did 3. 3 great tiles. But hey, 3 tiles. I love leftovers. Let's see what you can make out of leftovers. All right, 1 leftover. Ooh, that's a good one. 2 that's a good one. That's the one. And 3. And then let's go a really thin leftover. So this is 4 hours. Gray matter sets up really quick. Gray matter will hit the same hardness as regular hardware construction concrete in 4 hours. Would take over a week, well over a week, and even is surpassing. I would say in 4 hours, gray matter is surpassing the hardness that you'll get out of. So it's still fresh though. Like I imagine, this is really thin. Look how thin this is. I imagine this we can break if I push right in the middle. Yeah. Nice snap though. That's great. That's a good sign. That's a good sign to know that we're to a cure point where we can actually demold something. When you get a snap like that, with a little bit of crispiness, and also another way you can tell, when you click it together, it has kind of a porcelain glass, like a pottery sound. If it sounded dull and dead, that would mean that it's still coming together. It hasn't set. Nothing is really cured yet. I can tell you based off of how tough it was to break this, 4 hours, there's zero chance I can break one of these. Let's try. Why not? Yes. I'm so strong. I did it. Oh, that's cool. Look at this. Right down the middle. I hurt my hand. Don't do this. I broke it though. I'm impressed. I actually didn't think I was going to be able to break that. Okay. Oh, that's a great. Look at that. Look at that beautiful cross section. There. Amazing. Okay. Well, we're -1 tile. Somebody broke one. Jeez. But still have a nice little set. I like this one quite a bit. That's really interesting. Oh man, I shouldn't have done that. I really hurt my thumb. Oh, okay. I'm signing off. This is what happens when you got leftovers. Don't break them. Don't try to break them with your hands. Honestly, the edge, like these little fine edges, like there, where it's here. Let's see if I can get this so you can see. There, turn it. There. Can you see this top edge? This is sharp, really sharp. So don't try to break this with your bare hands. You end up cut yourself on this. That'd suck. I'd feel bad. But fun. Great looking leftovers. What can I say? I can say, I hope you had fun, and I hope you're having fun with concrete at home. Hope I've inspired you. Goodbye, everybody. I'll catch you later. This is Concrete signing out.